Hi, welcome to my channel, and this video will be the first of many in this series where I'll be teaching you Python. Before we start, let me just note that even though I'm using a Mac, the same procedure can be followed on a Windows computer. Now let me tell you briefly why Python is one of the best programming languages to learn for beginners. Python is very easy to learn compared to other programming languages and handles a lot of complexities for you, so it is beginner friendly and allows learners to focus on learning programming concepts and not have to worry too much about the details. It's also incredibly easy to read, in the sense that Python reads like English, which takes a lot of syntax learning stress off coding beginners. It's also a really diverse programming language in terms of the things you can build with it. You can build web applications, AI software, web scrapers, games. Not only that, but a lot of the world's biggest platforms and organizations such as YouTube, Spotify, Instagram, all use Python to develop their software because it's such a powerful and versatile programming language. Okay, so we are now going to download Python by going on to www.python.org/downloads. Then we are going to just click on the latest version of Python, which for me right now is 3.7.1, but at the time that you're watching this video it may be different. So we're just going to click on it. Then open the file. Continue, agree, install. Now that's installed. Okay, so now what we're going to do is download an IDE, which is like a special text editor for a specific programming language, like Python, where we can run our code. The one we are using is PyCharm, and it's useful because if we make an error in our code, the IDE will point us in the right direction. Not only that, but it will give you useful suggestions when writing code. So now I'm just going to click download now, and then click community. Okay, so we're going to just drag this in to applications. So now we're just going to launch PyCharm. Just going to click OK, and just scroll down, click accept, and it doesn't really matter, but just click don't send. And for purposes of helping you guys, I just click I've never used PyCharm, click next. I feel like Darkula is a better theme to use because it's more clear. Next, and then just next, start using PyCharm. Then we're going to create a new project and create. Alright, so we're going to close this now, and then we're going to create a new file. We can do this by clicking on the folder that we just made, right clicking on the untitled folder, going on new, then Python file, and we can name it whatever we want, so we can call it test1 for now. And there we go. That's it, the IDE is set up, and now we're ready to code. And in the next tutorial we're finally going to start learning how to code in Python. But thank you for watching this video, and be sure to like and subscribe.